You refer to us instead of me. You're a team now.
No, we're not a team and we don't have time for this.
Time. Good, May. That will be our first topic. Aha! Now, do you give each other enough time?
Okay, you know what? We don't. Yeah, because she is never at home.
Excuse me?
I'll be making that
I'm
cash.
working for both of us.
Yeah.
I can't be in two places at the same time, can I? Oh, unless you want me to clone myself.
Clone your... Oh, please, don't be ridiculous.
You think time is limitless. That's ridiculous. You have no sense of time.
Aha! Cloning and no sense of time. Good insights. We're making progress already. Great. Get ready. Hey! Woo!
Am I fighting myself?
That gotta be cool.
Where are we?
I have no idea.
Voila! Oh, you're inside. Your family's Cuckoo Clock.
I?
Man, you wish you could clone yourself. Now you can.
Oh. Okay.
Got it. With no sense of time, you will now be able to control time. Yeah! Go! Oh, look at that! Whoa.
Okay. Interesting.
Is that me?
It's you and me.
That's not you. Actually, I don't remember what you look like.
You're parallel tracks, not connected to each other. You must follow these tracks and make them beat again. Remember that. If you succeed, you will be rewarded your first piece of the letter. Good luck.
Yo, this dude is too much.
All right.
Why do we need to...
Time stop.
The book said we have to make the two meet.
Bro, what is that? Oh, I thought you were just flicking.
And off they go.
Hey, what's the point of my... I think you got a better ability than me. Did we
Killed
both...
me.
Bro, you killed us. Oh yeah, I could have made it back. I don't know why. Yeah, I could have made it over. God damn. Wait. Aw, man. Yeah, my ability is whack.
Hey, maybe you can
Make a
reach the
clone.
door before it closes with your clone.
No, can you make a phone while you pull it?
Nah. New clone. What's the point of doing
Can you
all
teleport
that?
to your clone?
Ah. Oh, I can. What? That didn't give me the option before, but... Yeah, this is kind of whack. I like the time manipulation.
Zawardo. Aha.
Yeah, your ability's better. You literally control everything.
I must say, that looks pretty impressive.
Yeah, whoever designed this knew what they were
Oh! Ha ha ha!
doing.
Bro, you could have saved me.
Hello?
I don't even know where to go though. Yo, you fucking bitch. Oh, I can do it in the air too. That's kind of dope. Yeah. Oh.
Come on, on, man. Hurry up.
Oh. Hold on. Yeah. We gonna play games.
Why you keep teleporting? The bridge is up.
Bro, wait. I need to head down. You trying to kill me? Okay, wait. You gotta let. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. So bring the bridge up, and I'm gonna put my thing on, and then so I'll probably jump, and then let it fall. Then yeah. Interesting.
Oh, that owl looks so
Oh,
crushed.
dang.
Wait.
Oh yeah, it's underneath. So what now? Do we use? Oh God. Oh, I see. It's a catapult. Wow. What?
Wait, what happened?
I thought it was gonna launch me, but it did not. It didn't launch. Oh, I guess time. Gotta time it. Okay, that was just a bad. Let me kill myself. Yeah. So. Oh, I think I almost cheesed. I cheesed something. Oh, but wait. Let me try again. See if you can launch me. No. It just like I slide off.
Look at the owl real quick. Just want to make sure we're not missing anything there.
Bro, that did not
Okay.
that did not happen before. I slid off like 3 times. Alright, so oh, I see. That's kind of cool. Alright, so let it fall. That's cool.
There we go.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I think I get it. Probably at this, yeah.
Oh! Cody, look at this one in the center!
Oh, we speed running now. Oh, we in the Harry Potter world.
Yeah, this do look fancy.
Oh, wow.
So cool. So pretty. But where are the wooden figures?
What?
There was one.
Did we lose them already?
Now
Oh.
what?
I don't know. that book say anything about what we do if we lose track of those guys?
No, he was just blabbing on and on about time.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, and you agreed with him.
Well, it's true. You're never at home.
Cody, do you really think I'm choosing to be away from home?
You want us to live on the streets, big boy?
That's just what it's been like for a long time.
Well, it's not my choice.
What do you mean?
If I lost my job, we'd lose everything.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. But when you're never around, you lose us.
Ain't no wonder he was fucking that vacuum.
There they are.
Let's follow them.
Ah! You fucking bitch. Damn it, I thought I could TP fast though.
Gotta move faster, man.
You fucking bitch. Yo, that's not fair. Ah!
Alright.
No. Yeah, my ability sucks.
Gotta keep following those dolls.
Oh. Yeah, oh.
You know, there might have been Easter egg back there.
Oh, the house is on fire! Well, wooden fire.
The dolls need our
I'm
help.
about to.
Hey, this looks like
Oh.
something speedy. You want to race, May? Hey, May, come here.
Bro, I'm freaking Spider-Man.
Bro, where are you?
I don't know. I'm coming to you right now. Oh. Follow the time bubbles. Alright.
Why are there bombs strapped to me? I thought this was just a
Oh.
race.
Oh,
It's gonna be an
we
explosive
zooming.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Don't explode me!
Oh.
Next!
Oh yeah.
I'm behind.
Oh yeah, I'm freaking zooming.
Win this! I
I'm
will
speed
not
running.
explode.
Uh-huh. Oh, I didn't think about doing that. That's actually a little bit faster. Oh, I messed up.
Wait, where am I going?
Bro, what are you going? You're gonna blow up. You're dead. Jeez.
I thought I could cheese it.
That was
I saw that railing. I'm
easy.
like, oh, I won this. And then there was no finish line.
Bro, no. What's with the bells? There has to be something with the bells.
Success once again! There they go!
I wonder where they're going.
Wait, how do I use my ability again?
What? It's
I'm not in range, that's why. Oh wait, put it back down?
alright, hold on.
No, wait, put the other one down?
Wait.
Oh, I gotta hold it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, put that one down.
Alright. What?
Wait.
What's oh you gotta open it up.
Oh, so you just got alright, you gotta hit both.
Yeah. Now hold it.
Look at that handsome wooden
actually. Hey, keep up with the dolls.
Oh shoot, we're liking each other now. How did you? Oh, did you die too?
Yeah, I slammed right into that water.
Oh, you! I got killed by the freaking trees. Wait, what's this? Oh, what? There's too many stuff in this.
Now,
What?
we just open this gate.
What's with these pigs?
Lunchtime.
Bro, why is there so many interactable things? Okay.
Here you go, little fella.
Ow.
Oh. Oh, he got fat.
So what now?
I don't like the look of this. Where
Bro,
are they taking
I'm on
them?
like a side quest.
I'm sure they'll be fine.
Oh my god. Oh
Oh,
god.
you getting eaten.
I see you.
Oh no!
Oh,
more pigs.
wow.
Are they going to slaughter? I don't like
Jeez.
this.
Bro, this is too much. And there's another bell. Bro. There has to be something.
Wait,
with
that
these.
thing is new.
What?
This it
Oh, no,
just
that-
came up when we.
Oh no, that thing was always Oh wait, what's this though? I'm going inside.
You went inside the slaughterhouse?
Hey, Cody!
I'm
can
up
see
here.
everything from here. It's beautiful.
Bro, what's the point of all this stuff? I feel like there's there has to be something, man. What's that? I feel like there's just some.
What?
Wait, oh, there's another thing.
Looks like a horse derby.
Are we betting?
Come and see.
I do like betting.
Okay, a bit of fishing, I see. Maybe I'll
Alright,
catch something good.
Okay, let's see if I can catch any
Oh,
cuckoo fish.
oh yeah, hold on.
Ooh,
Hold on.
Here we go.
Oh, you're a mom.
Oh,
Wait, what did I catch?
you gotta be.
No,
One-
I caught something.
Oh,
It's just not showing me what I caught.
I got a freaking light.
Okay.
Let's
I got
see.
a dolphin. Oh, I guess we just keep getting random stuff.
Oh,
Crouch. Okay.
Oh, it's like that one dinosaur game when you have no Wi-Fi on Google.
not against
Uh,
We'll leave you in our tracks.
oh, my boy got the.
Oh, the race is on.
Oh,
Easy dub.
Go, buddy.
My boy sliding in. Yeah, boy.
Ever.
Worst
Man,
race ever.
that was mad easy.
yeah, I jumped a little too early on that last one.
There's so much. Oh, what is that? 10 o'clock? What are you doing? Oh, I'm
I'm
wrong.
blind right now. What hand do I have? Okay, I was
you
about
have
to
the
say.
you have the short hand.
Is that 10 o'clock? Oh, yep.
No, no,
Oh,
no.
yeah. If we touch those, that's killing us.
How are we gonna follow them?
Cody, stop whining. Let's find another way.
I wasn't whining.
Yeah, your,
Why am I in it like that?
bro, your character is just so goofy, man.
That clock tower is huge.
Where we're going?
What is that?
Exactly. But to get inside, you need to unravel
Oh, birds.
the secrets of the smaller towers. Uno, dos. You see?
Here's a thought. why don't you just let us in the tall clock tower straight away?
Yeah, we need to get back to our real bodies as soon as possible.
Don't stress me.
Yeah,
Time
that
is an
divorce
illusion.
paper
There's
isn't
only
gonna
now.
sign itself.
Can't you feel it? There's nothing else than now. Everything happens now.
Wait, you say he's trying to sign them the voice papers?
No, I'm saying those divorce papers aren't gonna sign itself.
Oh.
Hey, Buck! What's that strange sphere over there?
Domain expansion.
Have you heard of English or Spanish?
Hey, Cody. I've got an
English or
idea.
Spanish?
Maybe we can use those birds.
There's a